Hello people, it is me, Master Zibzy here, and today I'm actually going over a really cool script GUI. This is probably like a very interesting one I've seen. Like the scripts on it are very unique. It is paid though, but honestly, I paid for it myself and it's worth it. But yeah, we're just gonna forget about that. So I'm gonna load the script and be back so I don't leak anything. And yeah, so I'll load the script, be back with you guys and show it to you. So once you load in, you have this GUI right here. Once you load the script, you have all these scripts right here. The one I have on right now is baby org because it once you see it, you will understand why I like this one. So I'm just gonna execute it. How the fuck do I remove the hub? Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, I figured out it was alt. So right here I have the org one. As you can see, it just looks so fucking stupid. So this is why I like it. I don't know if there's really anything to it. You just walk around looking like a fucking a big creature with 2 titties. And yeah, this is probably one of my favorites out of the hub. So this is basically just oh, you can hold items too. Okay, that makes it even better. All right, well, let's go showcase the next script. Okay, so I'm back, and let's just go over extendo. I've been recording this video for 50 minutes now. I had some problems that came up, so you know, let's just execute extendo. Try it out. So you see he spawns in right here. He basically kind of takes over your body. You could punch, E punches, R kicks. Where's the special button at? There's a special button somewhere, which if I can figure out which one it is. X, there you go. And X extends your whole body out. So now you are very big. Oh, you can sit on the fucking floor. You can do other shit, which I have yet to figure out, but you know, I'll figure out eventually. So X obviously brings you back to normal, and I'm guessing it does fling too. Hold on, let me get my alt in here real quick. Okay, so yeah, I got my alt in here now. Okay, never mind, it doesn't fling. Okay, well, it's still amazing nonetheless, even if it doesn't fling. Yeah, I can see myself sitting on top of him on my screen. And yeah, this one. Oh, F lets you run. Okay, there you go. There's another thing. And yeah, that's it for this script. So let's go on to the next one. Okay, so I am back. And now, thanks to the beautiful person who made Unknown Hub, we now have this menu on the side of our recording game. And basically what this lets you do is it just lets you spawn in your hats. So you don't even have to pay for the hats, at least whenever you're in this game, to use the script. So say if you have a script that's like 1,000 fucking Robux and you don't want to spend 1,000 Robux to just see what the script does, you could just come into this game, you know, load all the hat IDs. So there you go, it summons the hats on you. So once you're done loading all of them, you'll just execute your script, and yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna go put on all the hats real quick, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. Okay, so yeah, now that you see on the side, I have all the hats on right here. I'm just gonna bring up the script. The one I'm gonna be doing, flying extendo script. Yeah, basically it gives you wings. I forgot, what are the controls for it? But there are controls to get it to fly once I remember what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, so Z lets you fly. So, and then X puts the wings back. So yeah, you have your flying extendo script. This is basically just one of the other scripts on here. So yeah, let's go and check out another one. So yeah, this script right here is a car script. Basically you have a car, and if you hold shift, it goes like super nitrous mode, and you just start drifting all over the place. And yeah, so I'm gonna end the showcase here. There's still a ton more scripts to go over, so if you want to buy it, links down below. And yeah, that's it for me. So thank you for watching this long video that seems like only 5 minutes to you. And yeah, so goodbye, people.